If you need to change the page size in Microsoft Word, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to switch to A4, letter, legal, or a custom paper size, Word makes it easy once you know where to look. This is super useful for school assignments, business documents, resumes, forms, or anything that needs to be printed in a specific format. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. At the top of the screen, go to the Layout tab. This is where you'll find most of the page setup tools, including margins, orientation, and size. Once you're in the Layouts tab, look for the Page Setup group. In that section, click on Size. When you click Size, Word will show you a list of standard page sizes. You'll usually see options like letter, A4, legal, and more, depending on your version of Word and your region. If you just need a common page size, simply choose the one you want from the list, and Word will instantly apply it to your document. If you are preparing a document for printing or submitting it to a school or office, make sure you select the correct size before you continue typing, because changing it later can affect how your content is laid out on the page. Now, if the standard options do not match what you need, you can create a custom page size. To do that, click More Paper Sizes at the bottom of the Size menu. This opens the Page Setup window where you can manually enter your own dimensions. Here, you can set the width and height exactly how you want them. This is especially helpful if you're creating flyers, labels, certificates, or documents that need a specific format. After entering the custom measurements, click OK to apply the changes. Word will then update the page size for your document. If the layout looks different after changing the size, that is completely normal because the text and images may shift to fit the new page dimensions. You may need to adjust spacing, margins, or page breaks afterward to make everything look perfect. It's also a good idea to check the print preview so you can confirm your document will appear correctly on paper. If you are working on a longer document, changing the page size can affect multiple pages at once, so always review the full document after making the adjustment. And that's it. You now know how to change the page size on Microsoft Word using both standard and custom options. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.